InTime Tax Refund Tutorial. What is a tax refund? Tax refund shopping (TRS) means that consumers can apply for a refund of taxes they have paid after purchasing goods or enjoying services, such as operation tax, commodity and service tax, value-added tax and consumption tax. Stimulate shopping and give convenience to tourists to refund their taxes. Help attract tourists to travel to more countries. Most countries have tax refund policies. Every day, nearly 530,000 people around the world benefit from shopping tax refunds. There are around 320,000 stores in 61 countries in the world that offer shopping tax refund services. Due to the impact of COVID-19, governments of various countries have successively introduced policies for electronic tax refund procedures in order to stimulate economy, while reducing offline contacts. To provide online tax refund services to overseas travelers. InTime Tax Refund seizes this opportunity and provide convenience and income to foreigners stranded or living abroad. And also makes preparations for the globalization of InTime Tax Refund. How do we make money through tax refunds? First, you need to sign up InTime Tax Refund and place an online order to purchase designated tax refund items. Our staff will purchase the item. Our staff will get the tax refund at the designated tax refund office. Our staff will resell the item to retailers. InTime Tax Refund allocates refunded tax along with the original expense of the item. Members click settlement to get commission, share on refund. Since tax refund items can only be purchased once per person per day, we need as many members as possible. How will the tax refund be allocated? Members will get about 50%. InTime Tax Refund will get approximately 34.5%. The rest 15.5% will be processing fee of the tax refund center. Make money in time. InTime Tax Refund is looking forward to your joining.